So we were asked to do the review on these LED turn signal lamps from Oxito. Thought we'd check them out on our 2020 Silverado you've seen in our videos here. So we'll show you real quick how easy it is to change these things out and see how they look. Here's how the stock parking lamps look. Hope the camera gets a good picture of it. Pretty crazy how much bulbs have changed over the years. Simple packaging, and well, would you help me out here? Okay, so this is what the bulb's like nowadays, just a little chip you plug in. So we'll get down in here. There's not a whole lot of room to work, but let me see if I can get you a good view here. Okay, it's really tough to see down here, so I'm going to do my best to get my big old bear paws down there. Tough to do. Look right there. See that? All that's going to do is twist right out. Okay, right here. Dang, that's hard to see, y'all. Right there is what you need, and you're just going to take it. It's hard to see down there, but all you do is twist it out. Take the bulb out from this piece here, and what this does is all these metal pieces ground inside that headlight housing, and it lights it up. So you just pull that bulb out, and we're going to pop the new one right into place. There it goes. And then you just go right back down in there. I'll show you this way because I cannot get a good view with my hand. But you just put it in like so. It's got this washer here that keeps it sealed. And then you twist it. So that when you're twisting it in, this is open, that's shut, and that'll make it work. It's going to be our turn lamp down here. Let's go turn it on and see how it looks. On, got our blinker going. Holy cow, that's bright. Wow. That is a major difference. It's Oxito. I'll put a link in the description and in the video. Check them out. Check out the link. Thanks for watching.